How do you feel when you see your friend's status but you are unable to copy their status? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step required for you to copy your friend's status. The first step is for you to go on Play Store, download Google Lens app. As you can see, I have the Google Lens app installed on my phone. Now, the next thing is for you to go on the status in which you want to copy from. Let me choose one of my friend's status now. Now, let us say I want to copy the text on the status. What I'm going to let me screenshot the status. The next thing is for you click on share. As if you want to share the status. Now locate where you have the lens. Click on the lens. Lens will be searching online as if it's trying to look for this type of image, but we are going to do this. Just long click on the image. Now copy text in which you want to copy. Now you click on the copy. Now copy. As you can see, the text has been copied. Now next thing is for you can go on your home status and paste the text in which you copy. As you can see now, dear God, I want to thank you for being with me all the through. You can just send the status. That's how to copy your friend's status. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.